Have you ever wondered why jets don't have a barrier in front of the engines? I mean, it can't be good for birds to get sucked in all the time. So wouldn't it be better if there was a grate to guard against this? Well, jet engines need a massive intake of air in order to work properly, and the barrier would actually obstruct the airflow enough to make it significantly reduce the engine's efficiency. So instead of caging it off, these engines are made with very durable blades that can handle most birds and debris. Have you ever wondered why jets...